Hey, let's talk about it. The three things that no one would tell you about Shopify, and I'm going to tell you after this. Will be nameless. Influencers, YouTube influence for the POD, print on demand, Etsy. Let's just say influencers on YouTube. YouTuber influencers, and they all tell you it just costs $1. That dollar do come at a price, ladies and gentlemen. The three things, well, it's a lot more, but we'll start with three this time. The three things, starting with number one, is that $1 will add up more if you look into upgrade your Shopify store. Now, mind you, Shopify is not like Etsy. It's your own platform, your own, aka, with better sense of the word, your own website. So you really don't have to worry about like someone else controlling your traffic or discovery. So the three things we want to talk about is the first, I'm going to say, since you have to get your own traffic, what will cost you in the long run is that $1 will put you in a basic package, of Shopify. And Shopify do not include in a basic package, which was that $1, a promotional bar. And you might actually say, well, it's a promotion bar. Well, if you go to any other platform, even Etsy, will have a little colorful or light bar that have information or new sales. It can come in black, white, whatever, but it have as a stripe going from the top or from the bottom, from a stripe across. A strip going across at the bottom or top of the screen. And sometimes I have a rolling ticker, and sometimes just stationary. And sometimes I have a link or button there for you to go certain parts of the store when they have a certain sale. And this is very, very critical for serious e-commerce owners, store owners. Because when you have traffic coming to your store, and especially you have maybe a 30% or 20%, and you want them to know at that moment you have a special sale going through. And this is critical for any store to really, it's almost like text messaging right on your site. Right when a person hit in the store, boom, that notification bar, promotion bar right there with whatever information. And Spotify do have, but it's like I said, it's not for that $1 deal. You do have to pay. Look at my notes, I want to be sure. Around $5.95, where I gather it might be a little bit up now, but the basic number I've seen so far was $5.95 per month. If you want to add that simple feature to your store, we want to upgrade to level. So like I said, that $1 do come with a cost. And it might not seem much in the beginning, but I start breaking down the symbols of the three things, or the things they don't talk about on Shopify, what that $1 don't get you. So that's one. Two, I would let you know is that we are talking about promotion review. Product review. Product review is late, so product reviews. And anybody know what a product review is? Review for your store is another critical part of building trust with your potential customers or future customers. Yes, every store that starts new might have You may want to have that off until you start getting sales, and then you start implementing the reviews as a selling force to bring more and more clients in. But in the beginning, you don't want to have that in, because if people constantly see that you have this store with no reviews, they'll think, well, they have, second opinions, second thoughts on should they enter your store, purchase anything in your store, or should they just get out there? So you have that option to have that product review. But on Shopify, you only get that at from somewhere between $9.95 to $229. $299. My bad, $299. That is crazy. Like I said, you might don't need it now because that $1 you at the basic level, and you don't have any sales or any reviews, and you don't want to have that on because you probably would scare potential clients, potential customers or future customers away, because they think no one is buying there. So you have that turned off. But when you start selling, you want to have that, because you can start asking for reviews to be put into your store, and those customers that purchase from you, have them able to review positive or favorably to your product, that will help you take it to the next level of generating more sales. And that $1, do not add that into your Shopify store. That do come at a later cost once you start getting traction. So let's start with number 1. You don't get a promotion bar. And number 2, you don't get a product review section in your store where you can cut on and off. You don't get that. They all upgrades come at a cost. And the third thing they don't tell you about Shopify, right, is that what if you want to do live stream, and you want to do live stream connected to your store? That can easily put a buy now here, connect your store right in the live stream, that people can go right in, and as you talk about a certain product or a certain sale and what items on sale in your store, you can have a live stream going through, connected with the proper software, and bam, you live on Facebook, YouTube, wherever you could connect to promote your store, to promote your sales or new products, or even new designs or ideas to help around the house, but basically bringing more brand and awareness and attention to your brand or your store. So Shopify don't have that. So let's look at 3 things you don't have, I should say, is a promotion bar, a product review like Amazon or any other Etsy. 3, you can't live stream through your store to promote and be the next small or large home shopping network, but with your own store. Something to think about. And you probably ask yourself, so what? Now that I broke these down, what do we have to combat that negativity of that $1? What other options you might wonder what you can do or offset that if you want to get into the e-commerce business? Well, there is another player on the battlefield. It's not WooCommerce and it's not Shopify, but they do come with 3 products that I just mentioned, and Extra is a new player. Not really a new player. They've been in this game for a while. They've been on the radar, but they do have a lot of stores out there. I think they just went over 50,000 stores, if I remember, sometime last year, and they are growing rapidly. And this particular platform is similar to but a lot better. And the name of this particular product is Launchcart. What I'm going to do is leave a link at the bottom. I'm going to have two. If you're watching this before May the 21st, I think it's the 21st, but I'll put in the details. Check the details in the description. They have a online course, a webinar for 3 days to build out or teach you about marketing, selling, and building out your own launch cart. I will have a link in the description. And two, if that particular event is over, you can sign up for the next event, and I have a second link in the bottom that will tell you more about Launchcart and why I think it's the new player that's ready to disrupt the e-commerce platforms. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, another platform has thrown its hat in the rain. So let's get ready to shop. Check in the description. I will have the link. You can go to either two. I'll have the date of the oncoming webinar. That will help with you filling out your launch cart and marketing your store. And if you don't want to get a launch cart platform, e-commerce store, you can just go there to learn. They actually have a lot of ways to try to promote your e-commerce store, and a lot of little things you might don't know that can help you out, because they go on down 4 days of breaking down what to do and how to do and how to get your store attention. So I'm Lucius Lion, Luscious Lucius. I am an authorized, certified launch cart partner. I will have this link in the description for our platform. So if you decide to get a launch cart platform e-store, you can hit the link and we can talk about it and help you build yours in the near future. Well, y'all take care. I wish you the best. I'm Lucius Lion, Lucius, the creative director of LL Studio 2069 and the creative director for Content Studio at LL Studio 2069 blog magazine site. And I am also the content creator of Studio 69, our own very, very own e-commerce store. So y'all take care. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.